The Nutrisystem Diet, a comprehensive guide to healthy weight loss. In the quest for achieving a healthy and sustainable weight loss journey, the Nutrisystem Diet has emerged as a popular choice among individuals seeking effective and convenient solutions. The intricacies of the Nutrisystem Diet, its core principles, its benefits, and how it stands out in weight management programs. Understanding the Nutrisystem Diet. The Nutrisystem Diet is a structured and balanced weight loss program that provides participants with portion-controlled meals. It combines convenience with nutrition to create a practical approach to shedding excess pounds. How does the Nutrisystem Diet work? The Nutrisystem Diet operates on the principle of calorie control and balanced nutrition. Participants receive pre-packaged meals to meet their dietary requirements while promoting a calorie deficit for weight loss. The core components of the Nutrisystem Diet. The Nutrisystem Diet comprises various meal categories, including breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and snacks. These meals are tailored to provide the right balance of macronutrients, essential vitamins, and minerals. Benefits of choosing Nutrisystem. Opting for the Nutrisystem Diet offers several advantages. It simplifies meal planning, eliminates the need for calorie counting, and provides a gradual yet steady weight loss trajectory. Getting started with Nutrisystem, a step-by-step guide. Embarking on the Nutrisystem journey involves selecting a suitable plan, customizing meals, and setting achievable weight loss goals. Nutrisystem for men versus women. Tailored approaches. Nutrisystem recognizes the differing nutritional needs of men and women, tailoring its programs to cater to these specific requirements. Balancing convenience and nutritional value. The Nutrisystem Diet emphasizes convenience without compromising nutritional quality. It ensures that meals are easy to prepare and packed with essential nutrients. Nutrisystem and exercise. Finding the right blend. While exercise is not mandatory on the Nutrisystem Diet, incorporating physical activity enhances results and contributes to overall well-being. Monitoring progress and staying motivated. Tracking progress is crucial for staying motivated. Nutrisystem provides tools and resources to monitor weight loss and celebrate milestones. Nutrisystem's approach to mindful eating. The program encourages participants to develop mindful eating habits, fostering a healthy relationship with food for long-term success. Addressing common concerns and misconceptions. Addressing myths and concerns surrounding the Nutrisystem Diet clarifies misconceptions and allows individuals to make informed decisions. Maintaining results beyond the program. Nutrisystem equips participants with tools to sustain their progress post-program, emphasizing the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Comparing Nutrisystem with other weight loss methods. A comparison between Nutrisystem and other weight loss methods sheds light on the program's unique approach and benefits. Your path to healthier living. The Nutrisystem Diet offers a structured, convenient, and effective way to embark on a journey towards healthier living and sustainable weight loss.